Can Galaxy S23 series users get Samsung's AI features? Samsung Galaxy S24 series, which was unveiled on Wednesday, has been a hot topic since then because the exclusive AI features haven't just lured the South Korean fanbase, but have also initiated a debate across the world. While concluding the Galaxy Unpacked event at San Jose Center, California, Samsung's product manager vice president Drew Blackard announced that the company has decided to give access to the special AI features, including live translate, chat assist, and circled search to select few old Galaxy flagship devices. Among these devices, it's been confirmed that the Galaxy S23 series, which was launched last year and foldable, will get access to these Galaxy AI features. The devices which will get access include Galaxy S23 series, Galaxy S23 FE, Galaxy Z Fold 5, Galaxy Z Flip 5, Galaxy Tab S9 series. It was reported that several new AI features will be made available in these old devices by the first half of the ongoing year 2024. It should be noted that available in 13 languages, the on-device function in the S24 series is powered by Samsung's own AI technology. Through a partnership with Google, which makes the smartphone's Android operating system, the S24 also offers an unprecedented search function. This, also using AI, functions by allowing users to simply circle a phrase or image that they want to search. Messaging and car system features, such as navigation, were also augmented with AI to either recommend responses or tend to tasks while letting drivers focus on the roads. AI also strengthens the phone's camera powers, with generative AI helping to fill in or remove backgrounds. These AI features are powered both from the cloud or from the phone itself, and several use Google's Gemini foundational model that also powers the search engine giant's Bard chatbot.